Welcome back FX Crypto Trading. The word trading means the act of buying and selling something for the purpose of making a profit. It is one of the oldest forms of business in the world, but in the modern era, it has become highly advanced due to technology and online platforms. Through trading, people can invest their money in different markets and earn profit by taking advantage of price changes. The basic idea is simple: buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. However, successful trading requires knowledge, planning, and patience. There are many types of trading. Stock trading is one of the most common forms where investors buy shares of companies. When the company performs well and its share price increases, the investor can sell those shares at a higher value and make profit. Another popular form is forex trading, where people exchange global currencies like dollar, euro, pound, and yen. This market is the largest in the world and operates 24 hours a day. Then comes cryptocurrency trading, which deals with digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The value of crypto can rise or fall very quickly, so it is considered a high-risk but high-reward market. There is also commodity trading, which involves gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products. Trading is not only about buying and selling randomly, it is about making informed decisions. Traders often use charts, graphs, and analysis tools to study market trends. Risk management is very important because, along with profit, there is always a chance of loss. Smart traders never invest all their money in one trade. They divide their capital into parts to reduce risk. Emotional control is also necessary because fear and greed can lead to poor decisions. Trading can be done in two main ways. Short-term trading involves buying and selling within a single day or even a few minutes. This is also called day trading or scalping. On the other hand, long-term trading or investing involves holding assets for months or years to gain profit as their value rises. Both methods have advantages and risks. In simple words, trading is like a business where timing, knowledge, and strategy matter the most. If you want to start trading, you should begin with a small investment, learn step by step, understand market analysis, and always be patient. With the right strategy, trading can become a good source of income, but without discipline, it can also cause losses. Subscribe my YouTube channel and more videos.